Hey everyone, if you're a parent trying to understand what your child is doing online and looking for a parental monitoring solution, today's video is for you. We're taking a closer look at Eyezy, what it offers, how its main features work, and whether it's actually worth considering. But first, one important thing. Monitoring technology should always be used responsibly. Make sure you have the legal right and appropriate permission to monitor a device, especially when it involves another person's private information. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So, what exactly is Eyezy? Eyezy is a parental monitoring platform designed to give parents a clearer picture of their child's digital activity. Depending on the device and plan, it can provide information through a centralized dashboard, making it easier to review things like communication activity, location information, web activity, and other available device data. The idea is pretty simple. Instead of constantly checking the phone yourself, you can review the available information from one place. Now let's talk about some of the features that make Eyezy interesting. First up is its activity monitoring. Parents can get an overview of certain communication and online activities, helping them understand how their child is using their device. This can be particularly useful if you're concerned about excessive screen time, inappropriate online interactions, or unfamiliar contacts. Another useful feature is keyword and alert monitoring. Instead of going through everything manually, parents can configure alerts around specific words or situations that may indicate a potential safety concern. This can help bring important activity to your attention without requiring you to constantly review every piece of information. Next, we have location monitoring. For parents, knowing where their child is can provide an additional layer of reassurance. Location features can help you check the device's reported location, while certain plans may also offer location-based alerts. For example, you could use location alerts around places such as home or school and receive a notification when the device enters or leaves a defined area. Moving on to social and communication activity. Online communication is one of the biggest concerns for many parents today. Kids can interact with people they don't know, join unfamiliar communities, or receive messages that aren't appropriate for their age. Monitoring tools can help parents identify potential warning signs earlier, provided they're being used responsibly and within the appropriate legal and family boundaries. Eyezy also provides access to available phone information such as call activity and contacts, depending on the device and operating system. This can help parents understand who their child is communicating with and identify unusual patterns that may deserve a conversation. Then there's media and web activity. Parents can review available images, videos, and browsing information to better understand what kind of content their child is encountering online. This doesn't replace having an honest conversation with your child, but it can give parents another tool for keeping younger users safer online. Web monitoring is another area worth mentioning. The internet is full of useful information, but it's also full of content that isn't suitable for children. Having visibility into available browsing activity can help parents recognize potentially concerning online behavior. Eyezy also includes parental control-related functionality on supported devices and plans, allowing parents to manage aspects of digital access. That's particularly useful when the goal isn't simply monitoring, but creating healthier boundaries around device and internet usage. Now let's talk about setup. The exact setup process depends on whether you're monitoring an Android or iPhone and which features your subscription supports. Generally, you'll create your account, select a suitable plan, and follow Eyezy's official setup instructions for the relevant device. Some features may require access to the device or account, while iPhone functionality can differ because of Apple's privacy and security restrictions. So don't assume that every feature works identically across Android and iOS. Now let's talk about pricing. Eyezy offers different subscription periods, so you can choose according to how long you actually need the service. If you're only testing the platform, a shorter subscription can make more sense. If you already know that you need parental monitoring for a longer period, a longer plan may offer better overall value. But before subscribing, always check the current pricing and exactly which features are included in your plan. So, what do I like about Eyezy? First, the dashboard is designed to bring multiple types of information together. Second, the location-related features can be useful for parents who want an additional safety tool. Third, the platform covers several areas of digital activity instead of focusing on just one type of information. And finally, having everything organized in one place can make monitoring much easier. But there are some things you should keep in mind. Not every feature is available on every device. Some functions can depend on the operating system, account permissions, or subscription plan. Data synchronization may also vary depending on the device and internet connection. And most importantly, monitoring software shouldn't replace communication and trust between parents and children. So, is Eyezy worth it? If you're a parent looking for a centralized parental monitoring solution and you have the appropriate authority to use it, Eyezy may be worth considering. Its biggest advantage is that it brings several monitoring and safety-related tools together rather than forcing parents to use completely separate services. Just remember to check the latest supported features for your specific device before purchasing. If you found this review useful, hit the like button, share this video with another parent who might find it helpful, and subscribe for more app reviews, parental tech guides, and online safety tips. Link in description. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay informed, stay responsible, and most importantly, keep your family safe online.